We will be demolishing all of the existing buildings except for the cafeteria and the the football stadium concessions, and we will be rebuilding the school. We will be demolishing Merle Davies, which is the brick building on the corner of Farmington and Stott. We'll be constructing a new 3-story building with a really beautiful courtyard. In the fall of 2026, we will be moving students into that building and then demolishing Beaverton High School, like the existing building. And where Beaverton High sits right now, we're proposing to do parking lots.
Beaverton High School is a school that has a lot of tradition. It's been around for a very long time. And so I think there's a lot of vested interest in making sure that when we open this space that it resembles the students that it serves, and also represents what Beaverton is. And so having people who are part of the community, who are current students and staff, they can speak to what makes Beaverton unique.
They did add that multicultural space that they added. And I think that's nice because we really do need a place. I also like that there's a bunch of spots that they added for people to just study in and work and do their work.
It also might mean working with families from different affinity groups, working with staff from different departments, athletics. We're trying to get as much input from people as possible.
I think they were really engaging with all of the community members and really took the time to address everyone's concerns. I do recognize the stage that they're at in the design process.
Our goal really is that the building reflects the community and reflects culture and welcomeness, but also responds to their needs.
There's an adage, an African adage, right, that says if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.